Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start new poem. Only one mother. So first of all, I'll recite the poem. You have to listen it carefully. Okay, pronunciation very simple, and the subject is very familiar to us. Mother. Okay, so hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of shells on the shore together, hundreds of birds that go shining by, hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother, the wide world over. So this is a very short, beautiful poem written by George Cooper. So he is a very famous writer in the English literature, John Cooper. So what is the importance of mother in our lives? So he explained in his poem. See, hundreds of stars. There are so many stars. Hundreds se bhi zyada, but hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. The sky is very beautiful, very pretty. The hundreds of stars are there in the sky. Hundreds of shells on the shore together. Seashore mein. hundreds of shell रहते हैं. Hundreds of birds that go shining, singing by. so birds singing, but hundreds of dewdrops, Davabindu. In winter season, the dewdrops are there on every leaf, flower. Okay. To greet the dawn. Dawn means what? Pahat. Okay. Dawn. Hundreds of bees in the purple clover. So many bees are there. Hundreds of butterflies are there on the lawn. So green lawn is there. So hundreds of butterflies were sitting on the green lawn. So this is the beauty of the what nature. But only one mother, the wide world over. But mother's importance is very different than all these things. See, when you are very small, newborn, so you feel the touch of your mother. So you know or you identify whenever mother takes you. So you know the warmth that you get from your mother. Okay. So in this case, when you are newborn, so you know the touch of your mother. As you clothes on, means when you are crawling, when you are talking, so whenever you are doing all the activities, you are your mother is just with you. So that's why mother is very close to you. So only one mother, she fulfills your, what we can say, your world. Okay, आपका पूरा world fulfill करती है. Who? Mother. So you can share everything, whatever the bad things, good things, your experience, your feelings, your pain, your sorrow, your love with your mother. Understood? So, and you know, your mother is your first mentor. आपण म्हणतो ना, आपली आई पहिली गुरु असते, because she teaches you everything. स्कूल में आने से पहले, नर्सरी में आने से पहले जो भी बातें करना, आपका नाम बताना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाउ टू स्पीक विथ other people. Okay, then what is means so many small things she teaches you. Who? Your mother. Understood? So कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है ना, कभी कभी बोल देते हो आप लोग, हाँ, गुस्से में बोल देते हो कि तुला नहीं समझत काही, ऐसा बोलते हो ना. So but she knows everything. आपको क्या करना है? रिस्पेक्ट करना है, because your mother is doing so many sacrifices for you. आपकी मम्मी आपके लिए बहुत सारे सैक्रिफाइस करती है ना, करते ना. सुबह उठते, उठ के आपको तैयार करती, जब आप छोटे थे आपको कुछ नहीं आता था. So she is doing everything for you. She is doing whole household work. She's making your tiffin. She's whatever. She's doing her regular work. She's taking your homework. Okay, she sends you to the school. Okay, so everything regarding to you is everything for you. She is doing. So just not only mother, but you have to respect all the people, okay, who were big than you, जो आपसे बड़े हैं. Okay, so mother is playing all the role. She is a teacher, she is a nurse for you when you feel sick. आप अगर बीमार पड़ गए तो वो नर्स का भी काम करती है आपके लिए, है ना, सारे काम करती है. So she is a cook, she is a teacher, she is a nurse, she helps you in everything. She is a good friend of you, है ना, good friend होती है आपकी, आपके साथ वो फ्रेंड जैसे बिहेव करती है. आप मदर के साथ कोई भी चीज शेयर कर सकते हो, ओके, और करनी चाहिए. सारा आज क्या हुआ हमेशा पूछती ना, आज स्कूल में क्या हुआ, क्या किया आपने. सो एवरीथिंग यू कैन शेयर विथ योर मदर. ओके, सो शी इज प्लेइंग ऑल द रोल. Mother, friend, okay. So many bees are there, but everything in this, so many pretty stars are there in the sky. Birds are singing there, but only one mother. She is the white all world over. Okay. Now, so common questions are there. Nothing. Just. What we can see big thing in this poems, very simple poem is there, and common questions are there. Rhyming words, rhyme scheme, then more expression like hundreds of what, hundreds of flowers, hundreds of what we can say, hundreds of children in the school. Okay, you can say. So all these things are now. So आपको ऐसे खुद से क्रिएटिव राइटिंग में लिखते आना चाहिए कि राइट अ लेटर. आप लेटर लिखो, योर मदर, योर फादर, और एनी वन ऑफ योर रिलेटिव्स और योर टीचर. ओके, राइट अ लेटर टू एनी वन. सो यू कैन वी कैन टेक दिस एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो. ओके, सी एंड what rhyming words are there. Sky, by, then stars, birds, clover, mother, over, dawn, lambs, drops. So these are the rhyming words of this poem. You add one or more rhyming words of your own to each pair. आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do? You have to recite a poem, select rhyming words, write down rhyming words, और उस rhyming words को pair होने वाले अलग rhyming words आपको add करने. You have to write down. Okay? Rhyming words for each one pair. Understood? So this is about the only one mother. Very simple poem. Small. See the picture and see the what we can say words. Small poem. Okay. So new words are not there. So words are familiar to you. Okay. But if you have to write down word body, you can write. So only 4 questions are there. So I'll explain this question in short. Tomorrow in the next period we will write this question. Okay, everybody, you have I have told you to read that lesson. Be a good host and guest. Okay, I hope you are ready, because reading practice is very important. Reading and writing also. Okay. So write one some more example like hundreds of इसमें आपको examples लिखने हैं. Expand each expression को expand करना है, big बड़ा करना है. Okay, like this. Now answer the following questions are there. What examples of plentiful things does the poet do? Plentiful things, hundreds of stars, hundreds of shells, hundreds of birds. These examples given. What does the poet say that the dewdrops greet the dawn? Why does he say like this? Do you agree with the poet thoughts or why? Yes, of course we agree. इतना सारी चीजें फिर only one mother. So he is saying. So we are agree to him, poet's thought. Yes, in this way we have done this poem. Nothing is what we can say difficult in this poem. Okay, so it is a very simple poem. You have to recite it and write its rhyming words. Okay, what you have to do? What is your homework? What is your homework? Recite the poem. Recite the poem. And yes, search rhyming words. Only search it. Tomorrow we will write the rhyming words of the poem. Understood? So this is the poem Only One Mother. Very simple poem is there. So you have to recite this. Okay. And if you feel that this word is difficult, hard, just write down. Go and search in the dictionary its meaning. Okay. So we will stop here. Okay. Do your homework.